Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing with you how I make my kecap manis, which is sweet soy sauce. It's a very popular type of soy sauce used in Indonesian and Malaysian cuisine. For the ingredients, we need 1 1/3 cup low sodium soy, 1 1/3 cup Gula Melaka or brown sugar. We have a lot of optionals for the aromatics, and they include ginger, garlic, star anise, cinnamon, and black pepper. The sauce can be used as a marinade, dipping sauce, cooking sauce, or condiment. It is great for rice and noodle dishes. Works wonders for dishes like nasi goreng, mee goreng, satay, char kway teow, tauhu goreng. First thing to do is we take a pan and we heat it over medium heat. We place all the ingredients in the pan. We bring it to boil, stirring occasionally. We then reduce the heat, let it simmer for 10 to 15 minutes, again stirring occasionally. The sauce is ready when the sugar has dissolved and is begun to thicken. We then discard the ginger and garlic. We let it cool completely. Remember that it continues to thicken as it cools. And then we store it in the fridge. Thank you so much for watching.